The end result of a well-planned building project is a structure that will stand for many years. But what are the intangible components of that structure? A dedication to teamwork, focus upon a common goal, uncompromising quality, and a working relationship built on trust. It's an equation that adds up to a perfectly balanced team of designer, builder, and owner. Centex Construction Group understands that assembling the perfect team is as important as the project itself.
Performance is not the only measure of success here at Centex Construction Group. We're especially proud of our people. Our people are successful because they endorse common values and processes for each and every project.
This team effort has earned Centex the distinction of being named the nation's #1 most admired construction company 3 years in a row by Fortune magazine, and the #1 domestic builder by the Engineering News-Record. With 22 operating offices throughout the United States, Centex Construction Group has not only built some of the country's most well-known structures, but lasting relationships with clients as well.
Over the last 5 to 10 years, we've really transitioned from being a hard bid contractor where we got picked based solely on price to a construction manager where our qualifications and our relationships lead to us being successful at the projects. And it's relationships with subcontractors, with owners, and with architects. We have become more of a professional service provider where we view ourselves as the owner's strategic partner. And we need to better understand the owner's needs, their wants, and how they define the success. The simple finished product of a good building isn't always what's important. We look at factors as schedule, cost, quality, what really drives this owner. And we look to build that relationship by creating a win-win situation where we, the owner, the architect, and even subcontractors' needs and wants are both met and exceeded.
And it is repeat business from these satisfied customers that has enabled Centex Construction Group to place its stamp on virtually every sector of the country's landscape. Whether it's a medical facility, university, office building, sports arena, or resort, Centex has become a part of the nation's communities.
We started a relationship with Centex Rooney back in 1994 when we were starting the initial phase of development for the arena, which is now the National Car Rental Center, home of the Florida Panthers. And they helped us with pre-development and pre-construction. And then we went through a bid process and we ended up selecting them. And it turned out to be probably the best decision we made. We had only 24 months from start to finish to design and build the project. And if we wouldn't have completed it in time, it would have cost our company from operational standpoint about another $18 million a year. So it was very critical that we meet that date. And not only did we meet it, but the project was fully complete and it's turned out to be one of the best arenas in the country.
We chose Centex because this was a very unique project that we were building in Weston, Florida. The Cleveland Clinic had embarked upon a new philosophy of healthcare that combined the best of the hospitality industry with the very best in clinical care. The complexity of this project was enormous. It was very important, in fact critical, that we have someone share our vision to understand what we were trying to create and to work with us as changes came about. In doing so, the project has been very successful. It has brought a new level of healthcare to South Florida, and in no small part because of the cooperation we had from the construction team.
One of the reasons we've had a more than 20-year relationship with Centex has been, I think, probably more than anything else, the trust that we have in the company and the people that work for the company. I know that when someone from Centex tells me that they're going to do something, I don't have to worry about it getting done. I know it gets done. I can't say that about every contractor we have working for us, but that's certainly been true with Centex. The trust that we hold in the people, and I think the honesty and the integrity of the staff are exemplary.
Building relationships, building mutual respect, building confidence. These are the very foundation upon which Centex Construction Group has built their company and the communities where millions of Americans work and live.